Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point and Narrow.
35% of what's needed, the election judges not responding to work because of COVID-19. Many of them are retirees. Tonight, Baltimore City's election judge, Armistead Jones.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 nautical miles northwest of Back River to near Middle River to Gunpowder River, moving south at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Locations impacted include Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, North Point State Park, Magothy River, Hart Miller Island, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Greenberry Point, Love Point, Sandy Point State Park, Baltimore Light.
Jones said he would like to see the city have more voting centers with several precincts are out, similar to what was used in the primary election, though there were long lines for voting centers.
Actually.
Legislation over 2 months ago, and we will have deadlines on unemployment benefits, deadlines on protecting people from eviction and foreclosure.
Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the area. 1 inch to 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, radar indicated. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flooding include Baltimore, Middle River, Towson, Parkville, Kearney, Perry Hall, Rosedale, Rossville, Timonium, White Marsh, Hampton, Lauderdale, Timonium, Lauderdale, Nottingham, Fordham, Euclid, Lock Raven Village, Lock Raven. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
EAS not relaying, so EMNet's not working, is it?